park here?
I need to wait the moose coming up. Dito kami gumagawa guys sa bundok. Kabundukan yan kabundukan yan guys. May snow pa pala. May snow. Nalaglag yung snow guys. So hindi kami tapos dahil supposed to be tapos kami kahapon. Sira yung aming machine. So yung ginagawa ng mechanic. Maaga pa pala yung mechanic dito. Guys, so ako'y magkape muna, mag-breakfast sa aking breakfast. You want to go and help that guy?
He's not the type of guy who...
I thought you want to go and help that guy.
He may need help, but for now, it's better just to give him his space. Some people need their own space like that guy. You said to come only in case you need help, so I'll take my breakfast first and then I'll do that. Go and see if he needs anything. Bread melted this shit.
Breakfast muna kami yung aking partner. Say hi.
Hi, Putinero.
Putinero. Malaking mama. Malaking
Eating in the wilderness. Breakfast in the wilderness.
Yeah, breakfast in the wilderness, guys.
Yeah. You need to like camping. This is camping.
Enjoy our breakfast.
Yeah.
What's that?
Huh?
What's that? Butter?
Cream. In the wilderness. A quick breakfast.
Oh yeah, we are here in the wilderness area. I think Drew is making a burger today or what?
Is it today?
I don't know.
Not today, tomorrow.
Oh, delicious. Lagyan pala ng peanut itong aking bread para may lasa pa. Mahirap naman yung laging walang lasa. Kailangan lagyan ng lasa. Peanut butter. Sakaling may lasa. Oh, meron. Kape. Diba? Wilderness. Bundukan. Hindi na makita. Matakpan na lang snow. Ito guys yung pag mekaniko dito sa Canada, pag naging journeyman ka, pumasok ka sa company, kung kaya mong bumili ng ganyan na sariling
Any garbage?
truck.
Do you go too?
Huh? I'm good. That one is I think more than 4 days in the truck. Kompleto yan guys. Pero yung mga ibang mechanic na nakita ko may welding machine sila doon. Ito wala. Kaya yun nung nasiraan yung backhoe, ako na nag-welding. Pero may topak itong ano, tawag dito. So, matanda na welder. Mekaniko. I mean, ay nasisiraan ng bait. Ano, ganun talaga yung ano, mga puti. Ayan. Ayaw nila. Nagagalit kahapon nung umpisa niyan, ayusin. Kasi itong mechanic is back contractor siya. Dapat yung mechanic namin pero nakiusap lang yung amo namin sa kanya. Pagdating dito, wala. Anong sinasabi. Kahapon gusto ko sanang tulungan pero hindi na. Linayasan na namin sa yung dalawa yung kasama ko, yung foreman ko. Ayaw niyang gawin. Pag umalis kami nang gagawa, sabi ng foreman ko, pero tinuloy naman. Alright guys, hopefully matapos niya ngayon para matapos din namin yung aming trabaho para lumipat kami sa ibang destination kasakaling may signal. Alright, thank you for watching guys. God bless. Ingat